All right. Hi. I'm Pop. Who are you?
Ayla.
And it's a Saturday morning, and we're sitting here in the chair. We have a fire over here in the fireplace. You want to see? That's our fire. Oops. Drop the laptop.
Some beach my pretend friends I bring.
What's that? Where are your pretend friends? Do you see them?
Yeah.
And what are they doing?
Makes down shirt and you. And then you watch your video in the rare. Second my Luigi Yogi Princess.
I don't even know if that's language. Is that real language? I don't know. Is it?
Yeah.
It is?
No, it's not right. It's that. I'm moving with the dancing you. He's reading books, what you reading books. Poppy, go get the book.